Welcome to the APR Ultralink Quickstart Guide. This is the Ultralink. It lets you tune your vehicle with APR software at the convenience of your home. You can use this to download new software, get updates, configure features, switch programs, revert your vehicle back to stock, and more. To get started, you'll need an Ultralink, the included USB cable, and a Windows-based laptop with a Chrome-based internet browser. We recommend you only use this device in a safe location, such as a driveway or garage. Of course, before installing software, you want to make sure your vehicle has been properly maintained and trouble code free. First, connect the battery charger to the positive terminal and then the negative post. Visit ultralink.goapr.com and log in or create an account. Opt in for email notifications to stay informed about future software updates and purchases. Connect the Ultralink to your computer and plug it into the OBD2 terminal, which is normally under the driver's side dash. Turn on the ignition without starting the car. To start the programming process, click Create a Tune. You'll get a message about allowing the browser to connect a device. You'll need to accept this to communicate with the vehicle. The software will identify your vehicle and verify firmware updates. Click Configure ECU to choose the file and options for your program. Use the Stage Wizard if you need assistance based on your car's modifications. In some cases, we won't have a file for your specific ECU and/or modifications. If that happens, you'll be presented with an option to submit a request. Just fill out the information and we'll contact you when the software is ready if you opted into the email communications. Once you've chosen your stage, you can then configure options such as octane high or low torque, speed limiters, and other options depending on what's available for your specific setup. If you're upgrading to a higher octane program, we highly recommend you read our fuel guide on the support page of goapr.com. This guide will cover all the details you need to know about switching to higher octane fuels. Click Finish and proceed to configure TCU programming or review your software order, complete and pay for your order. Before programming, confirm the battery voltage is above 14 volts by clicking the blue button. Maintaining this voltage is crucial during the programming. If voltage drops below 14 volts, it may abort the flash, in which case you will need to contact our support team to recover the ECU. Click Configure My Vehicle to initiate programming. Expect normal noises and faults on the dash during this process. This is completely normal. Once the status bar reaches 100%, please click Clear Trouble Codes and then turn the ignition off and then on again without starting the car. Unplug your Ultralink and start your vehicle. Take a quick test drive to ensure everything works smoothly. If you encounter any issues or have questions, contact customer support at 1-334-502-5181. Thank you for choosing APR.